get yourself a manual, whether it's the climber manual, which you can get like on eBay, and they're pretty great actually. You can see this one's well used, and if you don't mind having them all marked up and kind of junked out, you can get them on eBay for less than 20 bucks. I like the climber manuals. I like the way they're organized a little better. The Harley manual, which I have here, is quite a bit more expensive. So you're going to find people on, if you go to buy it new, I don't even know if you can get it new anymore. You probably can, but you're going to pay, 40 bucks at least, depending on who's selling it and what condition it's in. So, and the problem with these manuals is, I mean, all the information in here is great. Okay. Let me tell you a funny story. I'll tell you a funny story. So I was wrenching on a really old Harley. I cannot even, it was like pre-1965. So it was a panhead, right? And the description in the Harley manual said that the torque spec for a certain bolt was a quarter turn before braking. I'm not kidding you, it was in the Harley manual. Now, I don't know how you know you're a quarter turn before braking unless you brake it once, and then you kind of know, but I thought that was kind of funny. So the Harley manual has its own language. So it's Harley language. Harley-ese is what I call it. And it's a little bit more difficult to understand, whereas the climber manual, not only is it a little better organized, it's a little more layman's terms, assuming that there's somebody in a garage somewhere, not a dealership mechanic. And so this is my go-to. I'll pick these up before the Harley manual. Just kind of letting you know that, okay? So I would recommend that before you try to do this, you get yourself a manual, or I think you can go online. I know. You can go online, you could go to eBay, and you can download an e-version, like a PDF. So you pay for it, and they give you a link, and you go and you get it right to your phone or computer. So you wouldn't have to wait for it to be delivered. I like the paper ones because I make notes in them as I go, and I can see where my greasy handprints are, so I know the part that I need to get to because it's like a bookmarker.